Okay, so I got my box from eVic, and I'm gonna open it. So I got my knife.
Are you filming that now?
Dad, can you move?
Oh, are you filming it?
Yes. Okay, I got a smart charger for like 20 bucks. Came with adapters,
Instruction manual.
manual, and that's it. Yeah, you could just throw out the old chargers because those are useless. Warranty,
What?
information.
Hey, baby. I wanna know.
Combat machine, CMR 16, carbine.
Are you educated?
Yeah, adults. A nice color manual. And it's not in Chinese. Well, that's weird. There's like a color box inside. Nice BBs. They look nice and smooth. Battery and charger were optional at time of purchase. But I already have a 9.6 full metal high cap. Nice and sturdy. Then the gun itself, which is very nice.
Yeah.
Non-working forward assist or charging handle. Pop up. Nice retractable stock. You got this. Nice. Oops. Oh. Cleaning it on jamming rod. Comes with every gun. Jack, you can do a review of your L96 later. This is actually very high quality glass. I mean, not. It's like. So as I was saying, this, and then you could use that, and it's very sturdy. My first impressions are it's actually really cool. It's smaller than I thought it would be, and yeah, I will have it. Oh, the front sights, windage, and elevation right here. As usual, they're all removable. Okay, whatever. I'll have a review of this later.